and Kovar. We've lived here in this house now about 3 years. The solar we just got not too long ago. It's been about a month now since the installation's been completed. We also had the pool solar, which was done afterwards. They just finished that a couple of weeks ago. So now we have everything up and running, including the battery pack, and everything is working beautifully. The main reason I was looking at SolarTech is I had a specific pool equipment, solar equipment in mind, and there are the distributor, sole distributor from San Diego area for us. So that drew me to SolarTech. And then after meeting Ali at one of the Del Mar trade shows, he's an incredible guy. He went out of his way to help us figure out what we needed and figure out all the planning, the financing, all that stuff. After doing some research, they recommended NeoVolta, which was a new battery on the market at the time. It all looked good in terms of, if you look at the specs of it, the material that it made out really interests me. It's a lithium iron composition, which is all organic, as opposed to lithium ion, which is a lot more volatile in terms of chemical makeup. Also, just the engineering specs on it, it doesn't perform in hot or cold temperature as well as the NeoVolta does. NeoVolta also produces quite a bit more power, almost double the power of what the lithium batteries do. Our main decision on going with solar was we don't anticipate electric rates getting any lower. So as I did research, I became more comfortable with that choice, and I'm glad I did.